What's up guys, it's Rick
and Christine,
and well, this is our new channel. Well, my new channel. This is her first channel. This is mostly gonna be her channel, but behind us is our new house.
our giant avocado.
Note by the channel name, it's the Avocado house. It's got a nice olive green siding with white trim and then red shutters. It's a wonderful avocado.
Looks like guacamole.
We literally just bought this yesterday, and we're gonna take you guys on a tour because we got a lot of plans for this that we're gonna be documenting on the channel. Christine?
Yes.
You ready to go show the people what we got working with?
Let's do it.
First up, before we go into the house, landscaping, yes, needs work, but it is currently winter time, so we're not gonna worry about landscaping until we get to the spring, summer time. It's not that great in the back, and there's some trees there just way too close to the house. So exterior of the house being pretty quick, 2-car garage. We'll go inside here in a bit. Coming around, we have lots of landscaping that's questionable. Sidewalk leading up to, what's your favorite part?
The front porch. Wrap around.
So this wraps around the side, and it just dead ends around the side here, but dead ends right before the AC units back here. Got a little path back here. This is another part of the reason why I want to get rid of these trees. It just doesn't dry over here. All these trees are way too high. They're right up against the house. Lots of problems leading into this. There is a culvert down here, which is nice, but this just needs to be improved with drainage and everything. Got a smart lock already put in.
Oh, first time using it.
First time using it. We're big smart home people, so we're gonna be doing a lot of smart home stuff here, but we don't have Wi-Fi yet. So there is the Nest Yale smart lock. One of the first things we did yesterday when we got the keys yesterday, we closed yesterday, we've already gone around and replaced all of our door locks with our own locks. It's one of the biggest things you wanna do when you first get a home is to go change out all your locks because you don't know who had the locks before. And also resetting the garage doors so that no one can get in through the garage either. So you can hear there's a little bit of echo. We're gonna take you through a tour of the whole entire house. It's about 3,000 square feet, and there's a massive addition they put in on the back end that is just awesome. So let's get started.
All right, so this is the half bath. Needs a little bit of work. The vanity is this gross yellow color, and the toilet is beige.
That's pretty much the easy little half bath. There are, how many baths in here? There's three full and a half. We're currently in the foyer, so got tile floors, popcorn ceiling. That's one thing. There's popcorn ceiling everywhere.
This lovely 1980s brass light fixture.
We got a little front closet here. It's nothing really special, just a little front closet up front here. And then there's a hallway, utility closet over there with the furnace. But there's doors for some reason in the hallway. And there's doors into what they had as the living room. We're gonna make this a dining room. So it's gonna be one massive dining room. And you'll see why we're doing that here as we go through the tour. Crown molding, popcorn ceiling, crappy blinds. Nice windows, dual pane windows throughout. That's a good thing. Yeah, this is...
I don't know how this works. I think it's supposed to like, oh yeah, okay, that's kind of cool.
It looks a lot better than the way it did.
This was the dining room, but we're gonna turn it into Rick's office.
And then off that, Christine, would you like to direct to your favorite part of the whole house?
My kitchen.
Got a nice Samsung fridge right here, some cabinets.
The last owner actually made these. These were cement countertops.
Concrete cement countertops that he polished and put all this work into. Really cool.
And I think he made these cabinets too. He has like a little cabinet workshop. So I'd like to get rid of this middle thing and attach it to one of the doors so that it's not obstructing my cabinet. I'll figure that out in another video.
One little fun, awesome detail. They're spoons.
At least I like her faucet that she chose. Kind of nice faucet.
We have the dishwasher by Christine coming around. Got under cabinet lighting, microwave, stovetop, combo, popcorn ceiling, weird lighting fixture up there. And then here is the hot water tank. This is the back of the utility closet. So there's a closet for the hot water tank, which has a lot of space in it. Little storage.
We're gonna make it a second pantry. I have a wire shelf that we'll put in there.
Obviously there's another closet that's got the furnace in it up there.
Here's a cool thing. They did the under the stairs closet and they made it their pantry. I like these. They pull out. It's a good way to utilize otherwise useless space.
So we have the breakfast area is what they call it. We're gonna put a table in here and replace this light with just some recessed lighting. But you can see what I've already started on. Scraping, that's today's project. Gonna be scraping the popcorn ceiling throughout the whole entire house. So let's hit the subscribe button.
This is the laundry room. They got some spoon cabinets in here too. They already changed the doorknob and that leads into the garage.
So we got the 2-car garage. Again, started on the popcorn ceiling in here, everywhere. But we got a lot of stuff in here and there's a lot of random stuff that I just want to start fresh with. Garage, if any of you guys follow my other channel, the DJ channel or the truck channel, I do a lot of stuff. I like the garage is my thing. There's a lot of crap in this garage right now. These old dated cabinets and everything and all this weird stuff. And got some projects with some hex lights and some other things. Stay tuned. And we can come back and head to the den. So the den's a step down. There's a little pony wall right here. Fake beams, popcorn ceiling, got 2 skylights up here. That's cool. And a wood burning fireplace.
I like this door that they put on the wood burning fireplace. We're definitely gonna keep that. But I want to spray paint the inside, make a fireplace.
Now you'll see in the corners here, there are speaker wires hanging down, and I don't think that's the most proper install in the world, but this whole entire upper space in the den and into the next room that we're gonna show you, they've wired for a surround sound, which is pretty cool. There's some speakers in the ceiling. What do we have here?
This is the best room in the house. This is our favorite room in the house. This is gonna be the party room. Oompa!
Old locks. New locks.
That would be the signing guy.
There's another bell in here. Oh, that's what those are. I feel like we're in church with that doorbell. That's gonna be changed. Back to the great room.
Look at this bay window, okay? Like, I'm so excited. I already put my fig tree there.
Go jump up there. I don't think people understand how big that window is. It's massive.
Eventually, I'm gonna do a video on making that my she shed.
Oh yeah, there's a shed out back. We'll show you the deck quickly, but as you guys can see, the landscaping out back is not the best. Again, summer, spring projects. Lighting in here is,
Yeah, the track lighting's a little dated.
Probably gonna put some recessed lighting. We're DIYing a lot of this. If you wanna see some frustration, subscribe. Maybe some bloopers. We'll put bloopers at the end.
Yeah. This is our wet bar, y'all.
Not the best bar in the world. It is a bar though, so you can't complain.
They kind of only did 1 coat of paint on it, and I don't really know where this orange trim color was,
Yeah.
I'm not sure where they were going with that. But.
Questionable choices in here. But this is, oh, we gotta get the bathroom. We have the full bath. This is one of the 3 full baths.
So apparently 2 homeowners ago, this was a jacuzzi room. And so this bathroom was kind of the cleanup after you got out of the jacuzzi. So it's a little bit random. There's no bedrooms downstairs.
Yeah, so little closet right there. Stand-up vanity, little sink, toilet, octagon window, and then a
dated and cheap shower.
Built-in shower with all what's that, brass?
Yeah.
Brass fixtures. Oh,
ooh,
the deck.
Look at our French doors.
Oh yeah, the French designed the doors. So, coming out, this is the deck out back. Got a nice little pergola above it.
We're not too crazy about the stain color, but maybe that'll be another video. I don't know. Y'all let us know what you want us to do with it.
There's the backyard, two-layer deck. Then they got a weird cross potting thing over there. Interesting decision to do this weird cutout for some unknown reason, but there's a cutout. And that's the breakfast nook right there. French doors to go back inside.
Babe, we gotta get a dog.
Our dog's gonna be bigger than that door. There is a doggy door. One little cool thing, I think you can see it, but this flooring has designs on it, like blueprints from housing and stuff, which is kind of cool. It is a wood laminate flooring in here, and then you got carpet, and then you got hardwood. This is the downstairs though, so we got to go upstairs now because this is a 2-story. Again, lots of space down here. Love it. We need to go upstairs. Before we go upstairs, another wonderful quirks and features. The hinges here, stainless, brass. There's lots of weird quirks and features in this house.
Let's see what's up here.
It's the upstairs.
But it's our upstairs. Yeah, this will be the guest bathroom. So we need to do something with the shower door. Rick pointed out that tall people cannot pass under this. I'm pretty short though.
Yeah, for reference, when I go to get in the shower, I hit my head. Problem. Cramped toilet in the corner.
I don't really know what that shelf is there for.
Not much. I think this is plumbing behind here, but we'll find out.
I like this medicine cabinet, but I'm not crazy about the color.
Paint answers everything.
Lots of paint.
4 bedrooms on this floor, the master, and then 3 others. So this is one of them.
I think they let their kids choose what floor they wanted because all of the bedrooms upstairs have different floors.
Got mirror closets too, wonderful, gotta love it. Little sliding mirror closets, they work really nice though. We have a little storage closet on this floor. Another bedroom. This is the same flooring as the other one. Lighting fixtures, wonderful. Got the awesome old school vents.
And
love it.
Cheapest fans they could find.
Mm-hmm. So, coming down the hallway to the last of the guest bedrooms or spare bedrooms, whatever you want to call it. We got the purple room. This one has a different laminate than the other two, which is kind of weird. This one is definitely the biggest of the 3 smaller bedrooms, other than the master. So now we can move on into the master. So, obviously, you can see by the mess, we spent our night here for the first time, and I don't recommend that to anyone.
We might have had a little bit of champagne, so it got a little messy in here.
Sleeping on an air mattress is not a fun idea. So if you want to sleep the first night, bring an actual bed. Move in with an actual bed before you sleep here, because that was...
Learn from our mistakes.
Yeah, I've slept on that bed before, but wow. I slept on it for a whole entire, like, 3 months summer as an intern, but it's not fun with 2 people. So obviously it is the biggest. Lines, TV mount, master closet right here.
Weird curtain thing.
You get this weird curtain sliding thing that blocks the master bathroom, or well, the entryway to the master bathroom.
I don't really like it. Maybe we should just, yeah.
So we have Christine's area.
I have my own area.
With her own sink, mirror, and this mirror
has little baby cherubs on it.
Yeah, so very questionable. Again, nice flooring though, to some degree. Not the best install in the world, because this was a DIY. Floating vanity. So this one's mine. I get the tiny one, and then Christine gets the big one. And then we have another weird lighting fixture, retractable makeup mirror, shower. The tub is a jacuzzi tub. Wonderful, wonderful. So that's going to be a project in itself, and stay tuned for our video going through all the changes we want to do. But that pretty much wraps up the tour of our new Avocado. So yeah, we bought a 3,000 square foot Avocado. Ain't that right, Christine?
Homie guacamole.
Homie guacamole. This is what the stairs look like from up here. We'll go out front here. Show you guys the guacamole avocado house one more time. Actually, no, let's just go to the great room. That's the best part. Or the party room, sorry. It was originally called the great room. We bought an avocado.
We bought a house.
And this is our house channel. So, we're excited for you guys to come along on this journey and see all the fun DIY projects we do, and how much fun and how much we torment each other and get, and how much she kills me. And
subscribe, like the channel.
Yeah, the video.
The video.
The video.
Like the video and subscribe.
What else do they do? There's one more step that they need to do.
Comment?
Yes. Comment down below what you guys think we should do. We pretty much have a plan, but if you got some good recommendations, let us know.
We need ideas.
We need ideas. Paint is a big one.
Get on some of
the doorbell. The doorbell. Anyways, guys, stay tuned for more awesome videos on this channel, and we will see you guys in the next one. What was the ending gonna be?